Activeeon present. Proactive AI Orchestration. Data Preparation. Pipelines for AI. Studio. AutoML. MLOps. Python. And Jupyter Notebook integration. A complete offer for your AI industrialization. Proactive AI Orchestration addresses all the people, processes, tools, and resources within your organization and connects them to enable successful AI projects. Today, the most complex aspects of AI industrialization revolve around scaling AI systems, ensuring their seamless and continuous integration into existing business processes. Challenges require not only technical expertise, but also strong interdisciplinary collaboration to achieve successful and sustainable AI deployment. Activeeon's innovative AI solution enables business people, engineers, data ops, data scientists, ML engineers, and DevOps to collaboratively achieve this ambitious goal. The Chief Information Officer and Chief AI Officer value our platform because it scales AI solutions across the organization to deliver impactful results with faster realization of business benefits. General portals for managing and executing AI pipelines. Proactive AI Orchestration offers 3 main portals for managing and executing AI pipelines. Catalog portal with ready-to-be-used templates and for sharing pipelines, workflows, and scripts with your colleagues. Workflow execution portal for executing and controlling jobs and pipelines. Studio portal for designing and implementing pipelines. Let's start with the catalog. In the catalog, you can take advantage of many ready-to-use data connectors, allowing you to easily import and export data from many sources. You also have at your disposal many big data frameworks to retrieve and analyze data. The entire catalog is fully extensible by end users. You also get a complete DSML platform with ready-to-use machine learning templates, data preprocessing, features extraction, etc. And a complete deep learning framework, image classification or segmentation, text classification, model training, and explainability. Finally, the catalog comes with extensible examples ready to use for machine learning and deep learning. Here you can see examples of machine learning pipelines with basic ML, AutoML, log analysis, data analytics. Here you can see examples of deep learning pipelines with PyTorch training, PyTorch predictions, etc. Studio and Prebuilt data and AI task. Let's start with the catalog where we were before. Select a workflow and right-click to open it in the Studio. Here in the Studio, you have access to all the tasks, including their implementation code that you can edit in full code mode. From the Studio, you can submit and test pipelines under development. Let's submit the train image classification workflow as is. Let's now activate a specific palette dedicated to deep learning. A specific menu presents the basic deep learning tasks: input, output, classification, segmentation, etc. This palette is fully extensible by end users. With this palette, let's modify the workflow in no-code mode. Drag and drop AlexNet, an alternative algorithm, connect it to the appropriate task, and remove the previously used RaiseNet algorithm. You get a new, fully functional workflow, which you can submit and test. In the Workflow Execution portal, you can track the execution of the 2 resulting jobs, visualize the pipeline progress in real time, access individual tasks, view outputs in streaming mode, and finally, access the result. Deploy data and AI services. The platform includes many data and AI services ready to be launched and directly used. For instance, in the realm of artificial intelligence, it is possible to initiate Vistum, TensorBoard, NIME, H2O services, Jupyter Lab, etc. We will get back to Jupyter Lab in a minute. In the data domain, available components include Spark, Hubase, Hive, Hadoop with Yarn, Kafka, RabbitMQ, Databricks, etc., as well as extensible examples of ETL, like multi-source ETL. Seamlessly, you can launch those data and AI services, controlling where they will execute and how many infrastructure resources they will use. All the aforementioned services are readily available and easily extensible by end users. It will increase your productivity and streamline your work. AutoML and Hyperparameter optimization. To efficiently build high-quality and effective machine learning models, you can take advantage of the ready-to-use distributed AutoML workflow. It allows you to seamlessly parallelize and distribute execution across many nodes, including CPU, GPU, Slurm, or Kubernetes clusters. The various tuning algorithms will allow you to automatically select the best hyperparameters. Let's get it started. First of all, you can select the tuning algorithm. Let's select a MACMAS algorithm that is suitable for the multiple objectives. Next, select an underlying model generation workflow to optimize. Now you can control the number of iterations and the number of parallel runs per iteration. Let's put for iterations and 20 parallel executions per iteration. Advanced settings give you fine-grained control over the underlying infrastructure to run on and related settings. Let's submit it. As in the previous examples, you can visualize the progress of your job, get streaming mode output. When the job begins to produce results, just click on the endpoints to view the result, for example, in Vistum or in TensorBoard. Now, depending on the results you observe, you can decide whether to stop or continue searching for the best hyperparameters. MLOps services and dashboards. Now that we have seen how to generate efficient machine learning models or large language models with optimized hyperparameters, let's see how to test and use them in production with Activeeon's MLOps services. In the MLOps dashboard, you first have the interface of model servers and global monitoring. Here you can deploy new model server instances and, within each model server, a set of model instances. This structuring allows all groups and business units in your company to manage their own models with access control. For each model, you easily have all the information you need, its status, the total number of inferences obtained, as well as the minimum and maximum inference time and inference rate. You get all this critical information from the moment the model was initially activated or for the selected time interval. In the second portal, Model Resource Usage, you have all the information to monitor the health and performance of the deployed models, underlying CPU and GPU resources used to carry out all inferences in real time. You also get in a third portal, Dashboard Resource Usage, the resource usage of the MLOps services, and the dashboard itself. Finally, the last portal, Drift Monitoring and Notifications, is essential for automating the monitoring of all AI models, automatically detecting any issues that may arise within the deployed models. Company administrators or business end users can enable at will global or dedicated surveillance rules for data drift or operational drift, including defining a threshold for inference rate or inference time. Upon detection of a violation, a notification is automatically sent to various configurable targets, notification portal, email, SMS, or third-party monitoring software. Python and Jupyter, notebook integration. Activeeon's proactive AI orchestration extends its capabilities to Python and Jupyter Notebook, seamlessly integrating data science workflows with scalable infrastructures. Let's launch a Jupyter Notebook that will take full advantage of all underlying infrastructures. Through the proactive Python SDK, users gain powerful tools to create, manage, and monitor workflows programmatically, all within the familiar Python environment. The Python SDK simplifies interaction with the proactive scheduler, allowing users to automate task submission, monitor progress, and retrieve results effortlessly. In just a few lines of code, users can connect to the proactive platform, define workflows with multiple tasks, submit jobs to scalable infrastructure, retrieve and analyze outputs. By combining simplicity and power, the proactive Python SDK accelerates the AI development cycle while maintaining flexibility and control. The proactive Jupyter kernel takes this integration a step further, enabling users to convert standard Python notebooks into proactive workflows with minimal effort. Using proactive pragmas, tasks and workflows are constructed directly within the notebook, seamlessly transitioning from local testing to large-scale deployments. Visualize task dependencies, optimize resource allocation, and submit jobs to private or public infrastructures, all with the power of a single platform. With Activeeon's proactive Jupyter kernel, you can bridge the gap between experimentation and production, unlocking the full potential of AI industrialization. Conclusion with Activeeon. This unique AI offering from Activeeon is specifically designed so that all stakeholders involved in the different stages of the AI lifecycle can collaborate effectively. The solution automates and accelerates repetitive tasks, standardizes processes and exchanges between all personas. Business analysts, AI product managers, data engineers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, MLOps and DevOps engineers. While each engineer can continue to use their favorite tools, the Activeeon solution significantly accelerates developments and also ensures AI traceability. CIOs and AI leaders benefit from impressive improvement in AI productivity, cost reduction, ensuring all AI projects successfully reach production on time.